In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reopen any tabs you may have accidentally closed in your Google Chrome browser. And when I say accidentally closed, I mean like all of them, right? So here are just a few tabs that I have open, but I know a lot of people that have like hundreds of tabs open. And if you accidentally close them all, right, it's gone, then it's like, okay, well, what do, right? Well, you just simply open a new window, right? And then all you have to do is on the three dots at the end, go to history, and then it'll say recent tabs, and it'll show how many tabs were open. And all you have to do is click restore window, right? Simple as that. Or Shift Apple T if you want to do the shortcut. And like magic, boom, there are your windows back just like that. So I hope this quick tutorial helps to alleviate any issues in the future.